Very good morning, friends. Namaskaram. So, first of all, gratitude, right? Close your eyes, fold your hands. Thank you, my dear parents. Thank you. Thank you, universe, for giving me everything in abundance. Thank you. Thank you, my friends, for being with me all the time. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, friends. So, today is the knowledge sharing part, right? So, today I'm going to talk about the rest. Many of the people, they have the challenge, they are not resting properly, and they are getting confused with the sleeping, right? So sleeping can be one of the form of rest. So why rest is important? Please try to understand. Rest is very vital role playing. It plays a vital role in our life. As I already had discussed, don't compare your body with the machine. It's a wrong way of comparison. Do not compare your body with the machine. Number one. Number two, do not compare food as the fuel of a machine. That is not true in your case of your body. Food is not 100% fuel for your body. Number one. Number two, as I said, rest. Don't compare your body as a machine. That is also not correct. And rest and sleep are not same. So three things. I repeat again. First, do not compare your body with the machine. Number one. Number two, do not compare your food as a fuel, right? It can be partially correct, 10% correct. Then what is rest? How to take rest? Research shows there are many autoimmune diseases. Reverse arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis can be one of them. There are many multiple. Now, what happens in autoimmune? Try to understand. The body start attacking its own cells, right? So one experiment I just want to share with you all. Try to understand one simple experiment. In an experiment, in a jar, black and red ants are kept, and they are very nicely. They are in a sync coherence. They are living together, very beautiful way, right? What happened? One person came and shake the jar, right? The jar was shaken by the person, right? And that because of the very high vibration, hmm, the ants got disturbed and they started fighting with each other. Now let's take example, similar way. There are kids in a school. There are kids in a school. They are living in a very harmonious way. They are very happy with each other. What happened? Someone came and slapped one boy for no reason, because that person was disturbed. Maybe anybody, huh? I'm not naming who is that person. Maybe anyone, because that person is disturbed. So what will happen? That boy who got disturbed will start behaving in the other way around. Okay. Similarly, nowadays, the human beings, since they are not trained properly, they don't know how to take rest. Small situation, maybe natural calamity, maybe because someone else is disturbed, they themselves get disturbed. That person is disturbed, maybe some other issues. That person comes in the contact with the other person, and the other person get disturbed. So the rest is what? It's like a buffer zone. Rest is like a buffer zone. If you have seen the own village system, there what happens? In the old village system, in a village, around the village, what is there? Bagija, hai na? Right? They have planted a lot of trees between two villages. Why? Because that acts as a buffer. Similarly, the rest is like a buffer system. Now you have to take rest when you need relaxation. Now, what it can be? Let's say Dr. Abdul Kalam, APJ Kalamji, right? Uh, Very great personality. We call him a missile man, right? He used to play Veena, whatever you call it as, right? Veena, I think, right? The correct word is Veena. So he used to play that, right? Now he is so busy. How he used to get time after a bit? Acha, some might say that he was single. He doesn't know about the love, right? Recently, when I was having a talk with the community people, right? And a movie is coming on him, right? I want you all to go and watch, right? Once it is released. And I also want you all to Google, okay, and go to the Facebook page and website, okay, and find out what is that suspense. Huh? Okay, so I was telling that key that relaxation is very important. Now people go to the bed, they're not able to sleep. Eyes are closed, but they are hearing everything. Maybe it may be subconscious, Ardha Chetan, whatever you call it as, right? But the body is not going into rest actually. Yeah, if 1 hour you are going in the rest, and again after 1 hour you get up and then you sense, it's okay, you are in rest. I can say that. So rest can be in any form. Now let's say a kid who is busy in studies and he is fond of playing some games, right? Video games or whatever, mobile games, whatever games, in any kind of, right? And then what do you do after 2 hours, 3 hours study? Ask him to play, maybe chess, maybe carom, maybe table tennis, maybe anything, indoor, outdoor, whatever they like. Some can go and dance every 2 hours. What you can do is every 2 hours of your work. This is the culture which the offices can adopt. Every 2 hours, let's say the employees are coming at 9 o'clock, right? And then 9 o'clock, once they all have come, 9 to 9:15, play music, ask them to dance, and then let them go to the table for work. 9:15 the work starts till 11. Ask them to work. 11 o'clock again. Ask them to assemble, play the loud music. One of the form I'm saying, one of the form, right? 11 to 11:15 again ask them to dance. Similarly, in a day, 3 to 4 times ask them to dance. Different. Take the poll, which song they want. Dance now. What's the problem? Same thing can be in school also. The way we give the break for the food, lunch, and all that stuff, similar way, every 1 hour, students gets bored, right? Bombardment. Every 1 hour for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you can play music. Let them dance. So many diseases, my dear friends, many diseases can be cured because the body is so intelligent, it can secrete a lot of chemicals. A lot of chemicals are secreted by the body when the body is in a happy mode. Rest is all about the happiness. Rest is all about the comfortness. So make your body relaxed, right? So I'm not making the video very long one. It's very simple way, my dear friends. To be healthy and happy in the life, find out what is your definition of rest. Okay? Because after rest, how you define that I'm in a rest or I had come out of the rest, your body will have a very high energy. A child, if you slap a child and you ask them to solve, he may not solve. But if you ask a child to go and play and come back and solve the question, the child can solve. It's my guarantee. I have tried with the students. They are solving the reactions, right? And when they solve the reactions, right, they find it difficult. And then I used to ask them, what do you like? What do you want to do? And then used to say, sir, मुझे chess खेलना है. Sir, मुझे cricket खेलना अच्छा लगता है. Sir, मुझे ये खेलना अच्छा लगता है. And I used to tell them, okay, ठीक है. Let's visualize that you are playing it very nicely. You are enjoying it. And they used to play, they used to visualize, they used to feel for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, only the visualization. Huh? And after that 10 minutes, 5 minutes, when they come back to the normal, and I ask them, okay, TK, now you're relaxed, now feeling good? Yes, sir, I'm feeling good. Now try to solve this question. And they used to solve. In my case, also, I had seen a lot of times. You all can try. My dear friends, we are on this earth to enjoy the life, not to suffer and die. Write down somewhere, I just want to write. We are on this earth to enjoy this life. You define what is your enjoyment. Betterment. We have to hand over this earth or the society to the next generation. It's a gift given to us. The body is a gift, the system is the gift, everything is the gift. What we are giving to the next generation. Think about it. Think about it. If not now, when? If you have to gift your son or the daughter or the whoever relative, right, niece, whatever, right, what you will gift them? A beautiful house or a house which has been charred, burnt, fallen down, debris? What do you like to gift? Take a decision. Similar way, my dear friends, learn to take rest. Learn to take rest. Define what is rest as per you. Okay, do not take this body as a machine, food as a fuel. Your body can get a lot of energy after dancing. Your body may get a lot of energy after talking. Your body may get a lot of energy after sharing with the people. There are so many ways to get the energy, so many ways to get the energy, right? It can be cycling, it can be bike race, right? It can be car race, it can be mountaineering, it can be hiking, it can be anything. You find out. Somebody can be good in yogas, right? So you all have to find out what you are good at, right? So thank you so much, my dear friends. Task for the today is find out what is your definition of a rest. Say it, understand it, enjoy it, and share your comments, likings in the chat box. Thank you so much.